Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post great photos on Instagram. So a photo over multiple feed posts can look really cool on your profile. Come to your profile to get started and scroll down. Just make sure at the bottom is a full row. If not, you can post more, or you could go and delete a post or multiple. Now to do this, we're going to be using an app, so we can go and open up the store on our phone like so. And what you want to do is go and search for Grid Maker or Instagram Grid Maker. I will go and use this one so we can download it on this app. There's a paid version, but I'll just go and close this for now. In the top left now, what we can do is go and press grid. At the bottom, choose the post. We want to go and do this now. What we can do is go and choose how it's broken up. At the bottom, we can go and click through it and choose. In this case, I will go and do 6. We can then press the tick in the top right. Now we need to start clicking this in the order. So we will start with 1, then we can press allow here to go and access our photos on Instagram. We'll open press feed, and what you can then do is go and press next again, and we can add any caption you want and press share. Now wait for it to post. It now has, and you want to return, then press 2, and then we need to keep repeating that. I have now completed it, so now when I come onto my profile, we can go and see it, and that looks really good. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.